If you have programming codes, then what you can actually do is add them out inside of code block as well. So to do that over here in Notion, I'm going to type in slash right here and then type in code right here just like this. Once you do that, you can see that code is an option. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that you can choose the different types of code as you want. But let me just go ahead and let AI generate out a code. So I'm just going to go around and type in AI right here. So let's just go ahead right here, type in space for AI, and let's say write a sample HTML code with a paragraph related to computers. So if I were to actually go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll write out the code right here, and it's in the code block as you can see right here just like this. So this is also a code block. So if I were to go ahead and copy this and paste this out, you can see that this is what you have. And now you can actually go ahead and type in HTML, and this is what you have right here. So this is how you can actually go ahead and add in a code block, and then you can actually see that the code is well formatted once you do this. So that is how you can insert out a code block inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.